Hello everyone, this is Carol Kunzler. I am the UEN Pressbooks site manager for Snow College. I also work in the library here at Snow College. Today we're going to talk about OER online and how we can integrate OER using the new subscription of UEN Pressbooks and integrate that into Canvas. If you need to contact me if you have questions about Pressbooks, I am the site manager for Snow College, so I'm the best contact for you about Pressbooks. First, we're going to talk about what is Pressbooks. So Pressbooks is a book publishing platform where people can create a book of their own and then make it available to anybody who they want to market that book to. In some instances, you can create an open book that has Creative Commons licensing, or you can also create a copyrighted book as well. So Pressbooks has been around for quite a while, since around 2007. They started to focus more on the academic side of publishing and have made available to many institutions academic subscriptions. So that's what we have. And before we get into that, I wanted to also tell you that within Pressbooks, you can find a variety of books that have been created by experts in their area. Here's a few here that I'm showing to you. Reading comprehension. This author took the Christmas Carol and created a comprehensive textbook for students to practice and use comprehension skills. You'll also find books on the trades programs, science books, and a whole lot more. There's over 3,400 books available and increasing all of the time. There's 118 networks, and most of these networks are university and higher education networks, and we are part of one of those networks now, starting as in November of 2021. UEN decided to purchase a 5-year subscription to Pressbooks, and everybody across the state of Utah that works for a USHE institution has access to create an account through the UEN Digital Press. And I'm going to show you how to do that today so you can get started learning more about Pressbooks and seeing if it works for your needs. To get started, you'll want to navigate to uen.org/Pressbooks. And that will take you to a website that looks like this. On this page, there's lots of resources for you to learn more about Pressbooks. You can get access to the Pressbooks directory. You can also access the authoring and editing platform, as well as the option to join the mailing list for the UEN Pressbooks user group. The user group gets together once a month currently, and you also will get updates on anything that's going on with Pressbooks in Utah. So you can sign up for that if you would like. So from this page, I'm going to first go to the Pressbooks directory and show you what that looks like. The Pressbooks directory is a curated collection of Pressbooks that have been created and made available to people to use in their Pressbooks, or just to use as textbooks. You can search by title if you want to search by title here. You can search by license if you're looking for one that is a Creative Commons. So there are several that have all rights reserved. But if you're looking for a specific type of license, you can click that. If you're looking for a subject area, there's over 990 subject areas for you to choose from. For the Utah Education Network, you could just type in UEN and you could click on that, and that will show you here that we currently have 19 books available through the UEN Pressbooks Consortium. So there's several options for you to filter out the books that you don't want. And I'm happy to help you find some books here in the directory as well. So I'm just going to show that to you, and then I'm going to show you next how to create an account where you can start authoring and editing your own Pressbooks. To get there, you'll click on that link, the UEN Authoring and Editing Platform link. It will take you to a page that looks like this. From here, you will sign up for an account, just over here on the right hand side, click the sign up button. That will take you to a sign up page where you can create a username of your choosing, and your email address must be your snow.edu email address. Then you'll create a password, you'll confirm that password. You can select register my book later, and then go ahead and click next, and that will take you to another page where you'll fill out some more information, and then you'll get an email confirmation that you've set up an account. If you don't see that email in your inbox, be sure to check your spam email. Sometimes it does go there. But usually that email comes fairly quickly once you create your account. Once you have your account created, you can go into your account. You can start learning more about Pressbooks. You can start clicking around, getting familiar with the platform, and then we would love to have you attend some of our webinars that we are having, and also some individual training. If you want individual training, I am available to you as the site admin for Snow College to do individual training or group training. If you want me to do group training in your departments, then we can manage that as well. And we'll talk more about in these other trainings how you can integrate your chosen or created textbook with Canvas. So Pressbooks really does integrate really well with Canvas, and that's one of the reasons that we chose to go with this platform. And I am also looking for anybody who would like to participate in a pilot group in the fall of 2022 to help us figure out some of the challenges that we might have with Pressbooks and how we can help other faculty. So if you're interested in being part of the pilot group, just go ahead and contact me and let me know, and we'll get started with all of that in the fall. If you do have any questions, you can feel free again to reach out to me, carol.kunzler@snow.edu, and happy creating.